Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an amazing POV review of this amazing Mercedes A 220. Unfortunately my footage corrupted by the walking around of the car, so we'll do it with pictures unfortunately. Here are some very nice details. I really need to show you this. And it's already at 40. This is really, the brakes on this car are just fucking insane. So, we're inside the car now. We'll be going for a drive. And look how nice this is. There they go. Very nice. Really like it. So, we'll be taking the car for a little drive. And let's see what the beast will do. The steering of this car, because I've driven it a little bit, it's a 4MATIC. The steering is really amazing. There are not a lot of cars that feel this great while steering. Most of them are really choky when you steer, especially the older ones, what I'm used to. But like a newer one like this, very nice. It steers very well, very softly. It's a really enjoyable car for daily driving. And it's also pretty fast, because it's a 4MATIC, so the car is automatically a bit faster than usual. Because if you have your front wheel drives or rear wheel drives, you can't compete with a 4MATIC. That's almost impossible. And as you can see, the car is really relaxed car. You can drive really relaxedly in the car. It's really nice. So we'll be taking some roads around us to show you the car's potential and how quick it is from 0 to 100. Very secure steering also. That's a really good plus point. You don't feel that the car is going to slide around. That's because of the 4MATIC, of course. But that's really nice. The car is also very low mileage, so that's a really good. It means that the car is pretty new. And the car is also automatic, and as you guys know, I drive a manual, so that is really weird for me, because I'm always trying to find the clutch, but it's an automatic, so there's no need for it. And as you can see, we are at the well-known 60 road, where the police is always trying to snipe us, but they will not be lucky today. So I will be cutting ahead in time. We will find a very nice place where we can give it a little bit more gas, and I'll be back to you soon. So this is a better road to give it a little pull. So we're driving now 30 kilometers an hour. We'll see how fast it goes. Pretty quick to the 160, and I'm giving half throttle, so very impressive. We'll take the same road back, so we get another little run. So now we're doing with no traction control and sport mode. Here we go. Holy moly, this car wants to go. That's 180. damn, this thing goes fast. So now we'll be trying again, but this time with manual shifting. So here we go. Really fast car, really fast, and it has only 180 horsepower, but it's really quick, really quick. Oh, now we'll be driving the normal speed again. Feels really slow right now because we went just 180, but it shifts also really fast with the manual, and most of the cars that I've driven, they're automatic. The manual shifting is pretty slow, so that's also very nice on this car, because this is not the most sportive version of this car, because you have the AMG, but the clutch feels really good, the car feels really good. So I really appreciate having the opportunity to test this car for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the POV, and also, I have bought the Draggy, and this car will come back to test the 0 to 100, and I have a few cars that also want to test it. So make sure you keep updated for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you thought of the car. If you have one of these cars, tell me what you done with the car, what you liked about the car, and let me know everything in the comments. Have a very nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.